Today we will discuss about thermal expansion. What is the meaning of thermal expansion? It means anything that expands on heating. Solids, there is very small expansion, and in liquids large expansion. In gases largest expansion will be there. What is the cause of expansion? Suppose this is a burner. This is one solid material which is kept in this beaker. While you will heat this beaker, in solid material these molecules are very closely packed to each other. When they will start getting heat, what will happen? These molecules will start vibrating from their mean positions. As vibrations will increase, their strong molecular forces or cohesion, it will start becoming weak and molecules will start moving away from each other. The solid material is heated, molecules start vibrating and they are moving away from each other like this, and solid will change into this liquid substance. In case of liquids, molecules are already away from each other. While you will heat this liquid, then these molecules will go further away from each other and liquid will change into gases. In case of gases, as gas is already filled in this balloon, molecules are already away from each other. While we will heat this balloon, then its size will increase. This proves that gases also expand on heating. So we have learned that solids on heating will change into liquids, liquids on heating will change into gases. This is the symbol of heating, delta. What will happen if you are providing coolness to these molecules? On cooling, gas molecules will start coming towards each other. If they will start coming towards each other, then their molecular forces or cohesion, it will become strong and these gases will change into liquid on cooling. Liquid molecules are away from each other. When they will get coolness, then these molecules come close to each other and liquid will change into solid on cooling. Molecular forces of liquid will become very strong when molecules will come close to each other, so they will take the shape of the solid. Now see this activity. These are two wooden blocks. This is metal rod. Its one end is fixed into this wall and it is kept over one pencil. There is one pointer. When you will heat this metal rod, its size will increases. Suppose this is pencil and this is a metal rod. When it will heat, size increase and it will move little bit forward. So when this metal rod will be heated, size will expand and it will move forward, and due to this movement pencil will also rotate. So we can say solids expand on heating. Expansion will be there. Now this is one example of liquids. Here is one narrow mouthed bottle which is filled with red color water. One transparent straw is fixed on its mouth with seal. When you will keep this colored water into hot water, its molecules start vibrating and liquid will expand. Its level will rise in this straw. When you will take out this bottle from this hot water, again that level will comes down. This shows that on heating molecules expand and on cooling they again get their own position. Now third example of gases is given. This is one pan containing water in it. We have kept here one bottle and one inflated balloon on the mouth of this bottle. When you will heat this pan, air inside this bottle will expand and rises into this balloon, and balloon will be filled with air. Its size will increase. As soon as you will make it cool, all the air molecules will start contracting on cooling and size will again decrease.